In a world that constantly demands our voice, our opinion, our reaction, sometimes the most powerful thing you can say is nothing at all. This isn't an absence of thought, but a presence of mind. It's a conscious decision to step back from the noise, to let the frantic energy of a moment pass without adding to it. It's choosing observation over participation, allowing the dust to settle so you can see things as they truly are, not just as they feel in the heat of the moment. There are moments when you realize the person across from you isn't listening to understand. They're listening to reply. They have already built a version of you in their mind, and every word you offer is just another brick for their preconceived structure. In these moments, you learn a profound truth. You don't argue with people committed to misunderstanding you. To engage is to pour your precious energy into a vessel with no bottom. Your silence becomes a quiet boundary, a refusal to participate in a narrative that was never about you in the first place. You don't need to prove what you already know to be true within yourself. Your journey, your insights, your very essence, they are not on trial. They don't require a jury or a verdict. They simply are. And you certainly don't defend your growth to those who fear it. When you evolve, you disrupt the comfortable roles others have assigned to you. Their resistance isn't a reflection of your path, but of their fear of being left behind. Let them have their fear. You have a new landscape to explore. In this quiet refusal to engage, you'll find that silence speaks confidence. It says, "My inner tranquility is more valuable than being right. I don't need to win this argument, because I'm winning my peace." Understand this. Silence isn't weakness. It isn't surrender. Silence is emotional mastery. It is the space between a trigger and a response, and in that space lies your power, your growth, your freedom. It's the quiet hum of a well-tuned instrument, ready to play, but choosing to wait for the right music. So practice silence today. Not as an absence, but as an anchor. When the world screams for a reaction, gift yourself a moment of stillness. Feel the ground beneath your feet. Notice the air filling the room. Let your silence be a sanctuary, a fortress for your well-being. Protect your peace like it's sacred because it is.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.